How you doing, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be starting a brand new rebuild. Let's go! Now at this moment I was a bit worried that it was going to be able to put it onto the trailer correctly, and as you can hear, the forklift was making some strange noises, but however the guy done well and he got it on nice and straight. That's her all loaded up, ready to go. Well, that's me got the Mini on the back of the trailer. I'm so excited to get this car back to the workshop so I can have a look at it and see exactly what needs fixing on it. Hopefully it's not too much damage, hopefully there's not too much hidden damage, and yeah, we'll see how we go when we get there. I'm very pleased how well the Jeep actually pulls the trailer. There's about 2,000 kilograms, about 2 tons that I'm hauling at the moment, and the Jeep is pulling it with ease. And that's me finally back at the workshop. Time to have a look at the vehicle. Okay, let's do this. Let's have a look at the car and see if we can see any problems. So these wheels will need to get painted. Probably going to have to replace all the 4 tyres. Driver's side looks in good condition. Rear tyre, some scuffing on the wheel there. The rear of the vehicle and the roof looks okay. Exhaust looks okay. Tyres again. We've got a mark here. As you can see, the grille surround's been damaged, the bonnet's been damaged, headlight's been damaged, chrome headlight ring's been damaged, bumper's been damaged, wheel arch trim damaged, front left wing damaged, left door has been damaged, as well as some marks on the rear quarter. Driver's side is all good. Right, what I'll do now is I'll get the straps taken off, get the ramps out, and then hopefully get this vehicle off the trailer. Right, let's see if it will start and if we've got any fluids coming out. So here I decided I would check to see if the electric roof would open, and also just make sure there's no warning lights on the dash and things like that. It did take me a few moments to realise that the roof wasn't electric, and in fact it was a manual roof. But as I said, I've never had one of these cars before, so yeah, it's all new to me. And I actually got a bit sidetracked. I was too busy trying to get the roof down that I should have checked the fluids first and foremost. I'm not sure how this roof opens.
2,000 years later.
Manual. Okay, let's hope I can get this off the ramp. I'm actually 6'5" and I can fit in here no problem. Right, clutch in. So the steering has snapped, so hopefully it's just a tie rod end and it's not the actual full steering rack that's broken. So what's happening is the left hand side wheel here, you can actually move that, so I'm just going to have to move the car back a little bit, straighten up the wheel, move back, straighten up the wheel, move back. So here we've got the 1.6 turbo, 16 valve, and it does look as if the radiator support is broken in there. So all this front end will need to come off. So I think I'm going to have to replace the wishbone or the suspension strut, because you can see there's a lot of negative camber. The wheel's pointing in at the top. So I need to get the wheel off and have a good look. Now what we'll do is we'll have a look inside the boot or the trunk if you're over in America. I just realised as well this little spoiler here lifts up and down. So that's pretty cool feature. So let's have a look and see what's in the trunk. So I've got some sort of, I don't know what that is, some sort of rug. My bag. And we've got an antenna. So that should be on there. Maybe it's broken. Hence the reason why it's in the boot. So that's actually, it's broken off the thread. So I'll need to get that. I'll maybe need to drill that and tap that, and then try screwing the antenna in there. So that'll be another little job. So let's see what this is. Spot remover, interior cleaner, shampoo, leather cleaner. There you go. It's a nice little added bonus. That's probably worth about $50. and we don't have any warning lights on the dash apart from this orange one here, which I think is the traction control pump, but that's maybe because on the left hand side maybe the sensor's broken there, because obviously it's been impacted on that side. But I'll need to do some further investigation, and also what I'll do is I'll plug in the code reader and then I'll have a look at it. See, this is a tie rod, it's snapped there, so and you can see in there just at the back there it's completely snapped. So I'm hoping that I should be able to just unscrew that out of the steering, and then obviously I'll need to get the alignment done, but we'll get it up the ramp and then we'll have a proper inspection. It's an absolutely amazing condition under here, no oil leaks whatsoever. So yeah, I think this car's been well looked after. Hardly driven anyway, because it's only done 42,000 kilometres, and this is a 2012 plate. So as you can see, the shock absorber, the wheel's actually rubbing on the shock absorber there at the top, and all the oils came out of the shock absorber, as you can see there on the wishbone. And as I said before, this track rod end here, this tie rod ends came off of the steering rack, so that'll need to be addressed. But that seems to be the only mechanical damage, just the shock absorber and the steering rack tie rod end. The rest of it's just cosmetics. So yeah, this will be a good little project, something I can get my teeth stuck into. Okay, so now it's just time to get the trailer back to the hire company, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Take care.
I'm feeling high.